Hey everybody, I'm Bill Davenport. I'm the owner-operator of Anchored Market Ventures. We run local farmers markets in the Florida Panhandle and Lower Alabama. Today on our tips and tricks, we want to talk about social media and your posting habits on social media and how it affects your sales and your branding. So when it comes to social media, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever you're using, YouTube, you guys have got to start making posts, not the night before an event or the morning of the event, but you need to be making those posts regularly. You know, you don't have to post every day. You can do a every other day format. Every day works, but you need to start getting posts out there. When you post right before an event, by the time it gets into the cycle of the algorithm to get shown out to folks, the event's already gone. So you got to think of it like a TV commercial. You see commercials not just one time and they're done. You see commercials every break cycle or every other break cycle, and that's to keep that brand and their products relevant. So you're kind of wanting to do the same thing, but on social media platforms. Make those posts every other day, every day, so that they're in the loop. People are seeing your products, people are knowing where you're going to be, and that's going to lead to increased sales, increased following, and it's going to be a more pleasant experience at the events you're at. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us at Anchored Market Ventures. Check us out on our website, anchoredmarketventures.com, and we can't wait to see you guys at the next market. Y'all have a blessed one.